Hello everyone, this is Hanashima Machinery. Behind me is our 4 cubic meters self-loading concrete mixer. This is the cab to control the work of the machine. This is the aggregate hopper used to load stone and sand to the concrete mixer. After the aggregate is loaded, the aggregate hopper will raise and unload the aggregate into the mixer. We have a big discharging door and a vibrating motor to prevent the aggregate stuck in the hopper. This is the diesel engine. We use the Yuchai brand, one of the best brands in China. The reducer on the mixer uses top brand military quality reducers. Those two are water tanks, and this one is the water pump. The water pump pumps water from other places to the water tank and to the mixer. There is the time relay to control the working time of the water pump, thereby to control the amount of water used in each patch of the concrete production. The welding on the machine uses the robotic welding process. We use high quality paint to guarantee it will not fade color for 3 to 5 years. The bushings at the joints of the entire machine uses this copper plus graphite bushing, which is of good quality, maintenance free, and has a longer service life. The special designed support wheels on the mixer can provide sufficient support to the mixer and make the mixer more stable. We also have some optional devices for the self-loading mixer. You can decide whether you need them or not according to your actual situation. First one is the electrical hydraulic scale, which can weight the aggregate in the hopper to make concrete formulation more accurate. Second one is the heating and cooling air conditioner in the cab. Third is the hydraulic cleaning device, which has a hydraulic water pump, hose, and water gun to clean the appearance of the entire machine. First is the automatic lubrication pump that can automatically pump lubricating oil. Our self-loading concrete mixer do not need to dismantle the cab when packing into container for export, which also saves customers the trouble for installing the cab on site. Welcome to contact us if you are interested.